Guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to delete your downloaded files or your download history on Google Chrome, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you've liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Google Chrome app, and then after that just simply tap at these three dots in the top right corner and tap at downloads. In download section you will find all of your downloaded files or your download history. So if you want to delete one of the file in your download history, just simply tap at these three dots. Let's go, it's that video. Just simply tap at these three dots on that specific file and tap at delete. So that's how you can easily delete your downloaded files on Google Chrome. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you think that this video helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye till the next video.